Welcome to Ample Blazes video tutorial. In this video tutorial we're going to show you how to create a second desktop. So you could have one desktop for personal and one desktop for work. Now this is something a little bit different. Back in the olden Windows 98, 95, Windows 7 days, we would just create different user profiles within the Windows operating systems. So you would like log into your work profile versus your personal profile, and you just have to log in, and you might have passwords, you might not have passwords. Now you can have the one login to the one profile, one user profile, and still have the same profile and just switch desktop. So how you do this is down the bottom here you've got the desktop 1 and new desktop icon shortcut. So you click on new desktop, and that's desktop 2. So you can go in here and you can make it a little bit different. You can go and right click and go to personalize, and say you want to change the background. I want to use the Ample Blaze icon, so we do that and we'll come out, and that's it there. So you've got two desktops, you've got your personal and your Ample Blaze. You can also rename, so you can put Ample Blaze, and you can say personal, and that's how you create the two desktop modes. So that's it. Thanks for watching.